centered policies. I'm particularly impressed by the projects I have had the privilege of commissioning today, namely the new office complex of the Kogi State Health Insurance Agency, the upgraded Lokogoma Primary Health Center, which will also serve as the site of the Lokoja Local Government Area Community Food Bank, in addition to the 3 senatorial districts, each of the senatorial districts of Kogi State, and the Senator Oluremi Tinubu Pension and Treasury House. I am indeed grateful and honored for naming this significant building after me. The welfare of our senior citizens is very dear to my heart. They have served our nation faithfully and deserve to retire with dignity. I commend Your Excellency for prioritizing their welfare through this modern facility that will improve services for pensioners. And all the wonderful women heading those organizations, I'm sorry I didn't recognize you, but you have a new building, and I believe that you will do your best to make sure that you render great services to those concerned. I also commend the First Lady of Kogi State, Her Excellency Hajia Sefinat Usman Ododo, for the empowerment of 500 women today, and that is all the empowerment items that are out there. We also did a small commissioning, but the women are ready to take their equipments home. And we thank you for your support and dedication to welfare of women, children, and vulnerable groups in Kogi State. And I'm not saying that lightly. I remember when an incident happened, I saw the way you were running with concern. When you called me, you are a true mother of your state. Thank you very much. Today, in that same spirit, the Renewed Hope Initiative has donated 100 million naira to the First Lady of Kogi State, an RHI coordinator, to empower another 2,000 petty traders in Kogi State with a sum of 50,000 naira each to recapitalize their existing businesses. And I'm glad that the women who are beneficiaries, they got the idea, because I saw them bringing their tray of different food items, very small items, to welcome me today. And I think the message is quite received. No matter how people want to turn it around, Nigeria is a great country. We have a lot of wealthy people, but our priorities are different. And I think it's high time we started helping those who need help in the country. I want to appeal to our young ones in the entertainment industry. I've mentioned it before, and I will use Akon, a music icon who does a lot of great charity work. They make the Burna boys of this world, Asake, all of them, Davido. We want to see you with one foundation or the other, helping the poor with your money. Not just good cars are good. A Maybach is good, Rolls Royce is good, but still, you can still help. The burden on the government is huge. You can still help. There are pepper sellers, there are vegetable sellers, there are okra sellers, melon sellers, akara, kuli. Akara is delicious. I can tell you that. And there was once I read an article about a young graduate who said he didn't get a job. And he said he sells akara because he couldn't get a job. And he's in Abuja. We approached him, but I didn't put my name to it. We equipped him more. He now has 12 workers working under him. And he's doing very, very well. So people should never despise jobs. I entered into Kogi today. I saw job opportunities. Me up here, I've been a classroom teacher. One of my teaching service exercise was I remember Ikole Ekiti very, very well. I've never been to Ikole Ekiti since then. I'm talking about over 40 years or 40-something years ago. But my experience was great. The memory of the beauty of this nation is there. When you look at the serene environment, I hope you all felt it when you were landing in. And so also it has been to various states we have visited. Nigeria is such a blessed country. It's endowed with so many good things. And the high time we started identifying this and tried to import foreign ideas into our system. Look at what happened with all those deportees from South Africa. It is disheartening. They went, at least with some resources, to South Africa, thinking that they would come back big. But unfortunately, they came back empty. But I'm glad they have a home that can receive them. A home who is ready to lift them up again. Nigeria is good. We should all come together, join hands to build this great nation. And it's good that they've gone out there. They've seen that what you think is not enough, other people envy you. So it's a lesson for our young people. Till the ground, walk the ground, and this earth, this ground will be a blessing. It will prosper you in Jesus' name. Amen. So, having said all that, I think it gives me, I think I've mixed up my speeches now. I think I've done well. And let me see if I still have more to say. To the Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Mohammed Ali Pate, CON, the Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muyano, a proud son of Kogi State. The people in government from Kogi, they are all here. It's something else, so I'm just seeing one there. Kogi, you are blessed. The manager and your sons are very hardworking. I will give you that. There's no one you've put in one office that has not done well. So I think you've raised good sons. The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Bank of Agriculture, Mr. Ayodeji Shotinrin, I applaud you all for this robust and impactful collaboration. Thank you so much. At this juncture, I hereby formally launch the National Community Food Bank Program in North Central Zone to the glory of God and the benefit of our people. God bless Kogi State, the rest of the North Central Zone. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.